Once an employee went to his boss. He said that, "Boss, I want to resign. Now I'm sick and tired of the office politics. So I cannot work in an environment like this. So accept my resignation and let's start my notice period." The boss says to him, "Okay, I will accept your resignation, and of course we will start your notice period from today itself. But before you do that, can you please do a small work for me?" He says, "Yes, I'll do." The boss gives him a glass full of water and says that, "Pick this glass, go out from this cabin and walk till the last cubicle of this floor and then come back. The condition is that not a single drop of water should be fallen from the glass." He says, "Okay." He picks up the glass, come out of the boss cabin, start walking. He walks till the last cubicle. He returns and come back to the boss cabin and put the glass on his table and says that, "Boss, the work that you have said or asked me to do, I've done." And you can observe not a single drop of water is fallen from the glass. Boss says, "How can you do that? Do you remember or have you observed when you were walking from my cabin till the last cubicle, there were so many people were laughing at you. So many people were passing certain comments towards you. How did you manage to get this glass back with full of water, that is not a single drop of it is fallen from the glass?" He said that, "Boss, I was totally focused on the glass. What everybody were doing, it was none of my business. I ignored that because this was my important job, this was my important task. So I concentrated totally on the glass itself. What everybody were saying, it was none of my business. I completed my work and now I'm back. So please accept my resignation and let's start my notice period. Can we?" Now he says that, "You have given the answer. You said that you are the victim of the office politics, but actually the reason is you are paying so much attention on what the people are saying rather than focusing on your work. What if you ignore the people and increase your abilities of doing the work properly? Increase your technical, your managerial, your communication skills, improve it, and ignore the other things are happening. If you do that, I don't think you will feel that you are the victim of office politics." So my friends, based on this story, I can give you 2 tips. 1, ignore what people are saying and focus on your work. 2nd, improve your abilities, improve your technical skills, improve your managerial and communication skills in such a way that no one will ever dare to do politics with you. If you are ignoring the people, if you have increased your abilities of your technical, managerial and communication skills, but still the same thing is happening with you, then my friend, that place is not for you. Find some other organization, and that is the time when you should switch your job. Fine. So I hope you have liked this video. Please hit the like button if you have liked this video. Please share this with your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much.